Okay. You guys are going to play. Okay. Who's going to jump into the swimming pool? No, you can go ahead. You can go ahead. I'm sure there's a way I'll go the other way. All right, this way. 不过你还带个棍子。哎，那边还可以坐。对啊。The bench. 拉柴有了。我在下面了。real estate 啊，或者是你是那个什么 tourist place 还是怎样，是可以用这个拍出。我要。Daddy is take it easy. Daddy 的脚。You found a nice seat.
White fine lines and on a zigzag mark rock on the top. Down. People hold absolute strength when they were doing the trance dance. Others, when they were doing the trance dance, they smoked white tobacco or jaka, most of them around.
see? Oh, beautiful. 哦，我们就在这里来了。你看，我们从那边走到这边。原来我们走那么远，被骗过来了。
走那么远被骗过来？你从那里啊？哦 ，OK， 我们住的地方。
你看，我们走那条路。
嗯哼。
呀。
Can we stand right in front of her?
Are we from Joburg, but originally from Taiwan?
We're on Joburg.
We are forward.
It's not easy to come and help you when you're not. Must get away, they must do.
Oh, yeah, we have a security guy.
Only the medicine man or Isangoma, he paid the thing, he saw it on his visions or on his dreams. There is a paintings there, large and the small antelopes. The antelope by the white pale is the mountain river. With each cow on corner the two bushman. There is a painting even in this rock. The paintings of the snake. It's painted by black or dark brown color. It's just on the bottom, the painting of the snake. Can you show me?
Yes, I can see it.
I see it.
Oh.
Yeah. So they paint the snake there. They will get poison from it. And they didn't kill the snakes. When they want to poison, the poison they put it on the tip of the arrow. It's make animal tired so that it's easy to catch it. That's why after they kill the buck, they used to cut round, took out the meat with the poison, dig to bury it before the poison spread through all of the body, and they will eat. They were paid soldiers with helmets, jerseys, and they were carrying the guns. The soldiers with helmets, jerseys, and they were carrying the guns. The people with spears and a knapsack running to the soldiers. Medicine men with a big animal skin, so that it's easy to differentiate them to compare to the other people, even if they were saw them on the distance. The Iran medicine men, they were on a line or on a row. Behind them, 3 baboon, first baboon, with 3 hunters, see antelope, 3 people dancing, clap hands, lift leg up the woman, passing the baby to the other woman, the baby's legs on a middle, she has the baby on her back, other woman running with the baby on her back, 1, 2, and 3, it's half human, half animal paintings. They will believe, they will do things faster and they will do it in multiplied. No animal has 2 tails, 1, 2. No person has the long